that have joined us.
Agitiria ishara rĩake rĩa thikũ ithano gĩtaro-inĩ kĩa rũgũrũ rwa bũrũri, President William Ruto atavanĩtie mũcemanio na atongoria kuma kaunti cia Nyamira na Kisii thigirainĩ mũnini wa Iregi kaunti-inĩ ya Kakamega.
Kuria.
Na rĩrĩ President akoretwo agĩũkĩrĩrwo nĩ mĩario ya kũmakania ĩrĩa augĩte kũhũthĩra nĩguo kũhukia ungumania bũrũri-inĩ. Erũmĩte kĩni ndaraugũkwo na ndekũrĩa maregu kũhĩtana na ungumania hamwe na ngĩni yothe ya ungumania ĩrĩa arauga ĩnyitĩtie mĩri kinya rũhonge-inĩ rwa magoti.
There are officers who are facilitating corruption. There are people in our judicial system who are facilitating corruption by working with the corrupt. That is why certain cases go to certain judges, because they are part of the corruption enterprise and the corruption industry in Kenya. And I want to tell you, all these collaborators, we will deal with them firmly.
Ulisema ya kwamba wahame Kenya, ama waende jela, ama wasafirishwe binguni. Unajua safari ya binguni ni tunawaombea wasafirishwe tu binguni, siye makosa ya mtu yeyote. So tunakushukuru kwa hiyo.
President oigete ngĩni ĩno ya ungumania nĩwe rathũngũrĩra andũ ethĩ kĩrimũ na gũcambicũra rũciũ rwa bũrũri ũndũ ũrĩa atekunĩra ritho.
Those who have a problem with that, watuambie what we need to do with the people who are stealing the future of our children, who are sabotaging our development, because resources meant to build roads, to put medicine in our hospitals, end up in private hands. We have huge programs supported, for example, by development partners. But there are officers in government who have made those projects their private enterprises.
President Ruto ũrĩa ũroneka kwĩyũnganĩria ateti kĩhĩri kuma mĩena ĩtiganĩte ya bũrũri makĩria kũrĩa atanyitirwo mbaru na gĩkĩro kĩnene gĩthurano-inĩ kĩhetũku, orĩtie atongoria a Kisii na Nyamira gũteanĩria ũteti ũtarĩ na kũrĩa ũrĩ wa ciama.
The two counties, Nyamira and Kisii.
President orĩtie atongoria aya kũnyitana na thirikari yake nĩguo mahingĩria mũingĩ ciĩranĩro iria meranĩire hĩndĩ ya kampeni gũtekũmakania ciama cia kĩũteti iria mathurirwo nacio.
Hakuna mtu anachaguliwa kwa bahati mbaya. Kila mmoja wetu anachaguliwa kwa mapenzi ya Mungu. Na vile tumechaguliwa sote na ni mapenzi ya Mungu, sasa iliyobaki ni sisi kushirikiana ndio tutekeleze mapenzi ya Mungu kwa uongozi wenu na kwa uongozi wetu sisi wote.
It's time for us to reflect. It's time for us to meditate. What have we done with our people? Because the whole issue of leadership is about service to our people and touching people's lives.
Kwa mara ya kwanza, you can be sure, unaona hawa viongozi wote, wabunge, senator, ma MCA, mara ya kwanza tumekuja pamoja, watu wote. Si mko tayari tutembee pamoja na rais? Hebu anza nisikie. Mko tayari?
Hamwe nao atongoria arĩa president acamanĩtie nao nĩ magavana kuma Kisii, Nyamira, Kakamega, hamwe na maseneta, abunge, ma MCA na atongoria a matũra. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.
The MCA